Okay, week 11 Codeboxx. Topic this week is the artificial intelligence. The goal of the week was to use Amazon Alexa or Google Dialogflow to interact with our information system at Rocket Elevator. As you can see, I chose Alexa. Let's start with the developer's console to show you what it can do. So first, we need to invoke our skill with the invocation name that I choose. Rocket Elevators.
Welcome to Rocket Elevators. How may I help you?
So the first intent was to get all the information of Rocket Elevators. Hey Alexa, what is going on at Rocket Elevators?
Greetings. There are currently 1,000 elevators deployed in the 500 buildings of your 501 customers. Currently, 8 elevators are not in running status and are being serviced. 500 batteries are deployed across 19 cities. On another note, you currently have 501 quotes awaiting processing. You also have 500 leads in your contact requests.
So the second one was to get the status of the elevator with the ID. What is the status of elevator 4?
The status of elevator 4 is inactive.
Okay, next I did I get elevator with the ID, but to get more information. Show me elevator 3.
Hello.
Sorry. Show me elevator 3.
Elevator informations, ID, 3. Status, active. Serial number, 5095. Model, premium.
I can also get the intervention with the ID. Show me intervention 4.
Intervention informations, ID, 4. Status, in progress. Author ID, 8. Admin in charge ID, 3.
I can also change the intervention status with the ID. Change the intervention 4 status for pending.
Are you sure to change status to pending for intervention number 4?
Yes.
Thank you. The status has been saved.
Okay, pretty much all for that. Sorry, I forgot to show you that the intervention status was changed for real. So let's do that. Rocket Elevators.
The meter or meter is the base unit of length in the International
Rocket
System of
Elevators.
Units. Welcome to Rocket Elevators. How may I help you?
Show me intervention 4.
Intervention informations, ID, 4.
Pending.
Status, pending. Author ID, 8. Admin in charge ID, 3.
Change the intervention 4 status for completed.
Are you sure to change status to completed for intervention number 4?
Yes.
Thank you. The status has been saved.
Show me intervention 4.
Intervention informations, ID, 4.
So
Status,
it
completed.
changed, and I can
Author
change the
ID,
database
8.
if needed,
Admin in
but
charge ID, 3.
it changed. Let's take a look at the bull tab. So here on the left, we can see our invocation name, Rocket Elevators, all the intents, the slot they have. There's are the slots, and here it's to describe the slots. The status is a custom one, and I entered 3 values that I can change for the intervention. And the ID I used Amazon.number. So let's see here. CloudWatch. It helped me with the debug to see what happened in the server. So here are all the logs. Let's jump in the code. Here I use the template, but there's two files that I modified a lot. So I show you them. So the first one is JSON. It's used to list all the information here for the invocation name, the intent, the sample, and the slots. So they're all here. I put intervention. Just here I want to show you the types. Here are this is the custom slot that I made. And here the dialog for the confirmation on the put. And the prompt to display if I am sure to change the status. Now the index, this is a JavaScript file. So it ran in node.js on Lambda in AWS. So here I did the two custom functions to set the first letter to upper and the first and third one. I'll show you why. So here, this is when I invoke the when I make my invocation. So it launch the hello. Here, the first one. So here, the output speech is just a text, simple. Here, this is my big sentence where I get all the data from my API, just here, and I put them in the output speech, and I just append all the part here to make the big sentence. Here is the get elevator with the ID. So here I use a slot. So this is for the ID. I use this ID to call the endpoint of my API. So here pretty much the same thing with the intervention. Here the put. This is where I can change the status of interventions. So here I need the slot ID in the status. For the put method is a little bit different, so I need a URL, a path, and the information that the ID and the status. So here my method that I created in the beginning. So because in my REST API, the elevator, my endpoint use uppercase, so I need them to be uppercase. So if it's in progress, I use the first and the third letter to uppercase, so that's why. And here my put method, so I pass the URL, the information, and the path. Put elevator, the same thing. This is for error message. Here, this is the method for a call, and here's the method for the put. So in the put here, as I said, I use URL, data, and path to build my request data here. Okay, and here that's where I build all the skills from the code to use in Alexa.